Good morning. I am Renuka Devi. I belong to BBA department, working as an assistant professor in Dr. S.N.S. Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Today we are going to discuss about the important aspect on ethical issues in operation management. So already we discussed about the operation management in the last video. So the term ethics is nothing but the moral philosophy that emphasizes on the aspect of the values and also the differentiate between the better and the worse category. So it is all about the rules of human behavior. As a person, we have to found the moral principles of the life, and also we have to making the conceptual meaning of ethics revolves around three main different categories that include the descriptive morality and ethical theory. The third one is applied ethics. So when the first division we have to deals with the cultural background. The second one we have to making the focus on moral concept and the principles. Then final division is nothing but the applied ethics. We have to deals under the ethical issues. What are the issues we have to face in our society? So these all the applied ethics, it should be related to the business arena, and also where the aim of the particular ethics is nothing but the business and also the some issues in the operation management. So when we are talking about the operation management, we have to make the approach of the designing part, managing, improving, and also the operating business processes, and also the system also we have to work in the some activities will be involved in the production and delivery part of the goods and services. The tutorial shed will be making in the light to the ethical issues under the activities, making the some resolving the problem under happening in the factories also. It also look into the management part. The ethical issues is very important within the work setting under the employment. So every employee should be, they have to follow the some rights, and also the some categories will be involved in the converting from the starting from the input to the raw material. We have to make it in the final end product. It should also, we have to provide the services come under the pursuit of the operation management, and also we have to make the operation originally we will be making in the production or the manufacturing categories. It also will be making the business activities will be at end the result in the activities. We have to make the output from the goods and services. That managers, that operating managers, they have some responsible for developing the strategy, and also they have to set the objectives related to the industry wise, and also they have to processing the some activity designing the product and also services, and we have to make the employees should be motivated to work in the particular area. That strategy should be formulated on the ethical standard. So ethical standard is nothing but we have to make the some formulating way we have to use, and also some lead of the negative impact it will be making in the around the people. That also we have to remove, and workers may be discouraged to support in the eventually process. Some important ethics we have to follow in the operation management is we have to discuss one by one. First one is some ethical consideration will be making in the operation management. Should be taking the decision under the customer safety is very important. Okay, and also the employee safety, materials recyclability, and also the we have to make the some proper disposal of wastages. So these are main important ethics we have to follow under the operation management. It also will be based upon the most of the ethical issues making the business originated from the operation level and also the successive level. And one more another reason we have to make the importance of ethics is nothing but the consequences that arise between the people and also the activities will be happening in the around the business companies. Some companies to obtain the cost advantage by outsourcing. So and also the third one, the finally we have to make the ethics in the operation management. It is should be concerned on the way how the profit will be making the obtained rather than the quantity of the profit which is considered enough by preparing by the operational activities.